Welcome back to another episode of Motogp Mac, and today we're going to talk about riders' salaries. Now, Gazzetta del Sporto released recently how much each rider pocketed in the 2022 season. Now, before we get into it, I believe these are the riders' base salaries and they do not include private sponsorship and also win or podium bonuses according to their contract. So as you can imagine, the top earner on 12.5 million euros is Marc Marquez. Closely followed, and I'm very surprised by Maverick Vinales on 10 million. Fabio Quartararo was in third at 6 million. He was tied with Mir on 6 million also. Pecco Bagnaia was on 5 million. Polo Espargaro 3.5 million. Jack Miller, Alex Rins and Franco Morbidelli took home 3 million. Johan Zarco 2 million. Alex Marquez and Jorge Martin 1 million. Very surprised that Aleix Espargaro is on 750,000 compared to Maverick's 10 million. So this is what really makes me believe that it's just base salary rather than including bonuses, etc. Miguel Oliveira 625,000 euros. Taka Nakagami and Brad Binder 500,000 euros. Enya Bastianini and Fabio Di Gianantonio 375,000. I think Gresini really scored well there. They did get a lot of publicity from Bastianini. Luca Marini 300,000 euros. And the rookies Darren Binder, Marco Bezzecchi, Raul Fernandez and Remy Gardner 250,000 euros. So some riders are getting paid quite a lot and other riders are not getting paid as much as we would have thought. So you can see for some riders the win bonuses and the podium bonuses, etc., or even the contractual bonuses of if they finish within the top 10 are really important to a rider's salary. This is why, the riders at the moment have a little bit of an issue with the teams and Dorna about the sprint race, because some riders, their salary would be a baseline because they know their bonuses that they can achieve make up the rest of the salary. Therefore, the sprint race bonus is all important to them. But I would definitely love to know your thoughts. Which rider's salary really surprised you? Which rider's salary did not really surprise you? Definitely leave your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll be back again tomorrow with another video.